create the table. How we will create the table? I will show you practically. Number first thing is in data definition language is what? Create the table. I am just putting here L. Okay, language. Okay, just put here language. Number second. Okay, number second. When we try to create the table, how we try to alter the table? Alter means making changes in the table. This is data definition language. Number third, drop the complete table. How we will drop the table? See, drop is different, delete is different. I will show you what the difference between drop and delete. Okay. Number fourth. When we talk about number four, truncate. T-U-R-N-A-C-A-T, truncate. Truncate is also a command. Okay. Data definition language command. Okay. And when we try to talk about number fifth is what do we call as a rename the table. How do we rename the table? We'll see practically. But first thing we'll see, and this is the definition language, data manipulation. In data manipulation, we are looking these things. Insert, update, delete. How we'll see that? I will show you practically. See now, but before in hand, you have to know the data types. What are the data types? For example, if I talk about any number, then we are using number data type. If I talk about any name, I am using varchar. Okay. If I am using, for example, anybody's date of birth, I am using DOB. Okay. DOB is also a data type. So I will show you exactly how, date data type. Okay. Date is a data type. Okay. So now we'll see practically how we'll try to create the table in Oracle database. And then how do we insert the values? Once we insert the value, how do we remove the value? How do we truncate the value? Everything. Now, let's just create one table. I am creating one table. Create table. Okay. What, for example, create table. What is the table name I am putting here? I can put any table name. For example, I am putting here the table name as Jack. Jack table name I am creating. And for example, I am putting ID. ID as a data type is what? Number. I am giving the size of that. For example, 10 I am giving size. Comma. For example, any name I am giving. NAME name. Data type is what of the name? Varchar. Varchar is a data type name. I am just clicking a T colon 10 20. And then I am putting a comma. And then what I am typing in, you see here, salary. For example, salary. Salary will be a number, right? NUMBER number. Number, let's take the size 10. I have created this table. I am just putting comma here, enter. Table got created. Okay. Now, if I want to see what is there in my table, DESC JACK Jack. Okay, GESC I am typing what? Table name is what? Jack, right? JACK Jack, enter. ID is there, name is there, salary. That type is what? Number, varchar, number, right? Now, I want to insert the values into my table. How I will insert the value? Insert into what table name I am putting here? Jack, JACK Jack. And in that one I am putting what? Values. For example, ID I am putting here 1, comma. Any name I am putting here. For example, I am putting here Mujahid. Mujahid Bhai. Okay, Mujahid Bhai. For example, I am putting like this. Okay, comma. Salary I am putting here, for example, as 5,000 I am putting here. Closing the bracket. Okay, then I am putting here enter. See, every character we have to put some double colon. Okay, enter. Sorry, I think there is some mistake happened. 1 second. Insert into values. See here, I forgot putting the values icon. 1 second. Jack space VALAUS values. Insert into table name values. Insert into table name values. So as soon as I click here as values, 1 second. One second. Maximum size can be allowed this. I think I've given the maximum size is 10. 1 second. But I've given the more value on that size. Okay. I think I've given the more values on that side. What exactly I've given the more values on that side. Insert into table name values. Jack, 1 second. Jack is a table name, right? 1 second. One, comma. For example, I am putting here. For example, any name I am putting here, comma. For example, I am just putting here 5. Like this. One row inserted, and then now I am putting here what exactly I am putting here 2. Any name I am putting here. For example, I am putting here Shra 1, for example. I'm putting here for any, for example, 8500, for example. Second row created. For example, anything I am putting here, for example, like Amir. Okay, AMIR Amir. Okay, I am just putting here anything I can putting here, for example, this one. Okay, 3 rows got created. I want to see. C means what exactly I am using. I am using what language? I am using a query language. Select. Select is what exactly? Data query language, DQL. DQL means what? Query language. I'm using here what? Select statement. SELECT select. How exactly I'm using here the select statement? I'm using select star from. What is the table name? What is the table name? Jack is a table name, right? JACK, Jack. Am I got the complete table? All of them. Did I got the complete table here? Amir,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mujahid bhai,
Yes, sir.
Shravan,
Yes, sir.
did you got it? How I created the table?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. So, so I showed you how do we try to create the table, how we try to this one. Now, for example, now I have simply created the table. I have showed you how do we try to create the table. How we try to drop this table also we have to see, right? How we try to drop this table. Suppose if I want to take a backup of my complete table and then I will delete. See, backup also, database also, you have to know complete. I think when we talk about the availability type, right? The database should always be backed up. How we will take up a complete backup? Create. I am taking here like this. Create table. What exactly I am doing here? Create table. What table I want to create? For example, any new table. Jack 2. Okay. Jack 2 as a table I have taken. AS means what? Copying. What copying? This complete table I am copying. Where? In Jack 2 I am copying. How I am copying? Select star from table name is Jack. That means whatever is there, this complete table I am copying where? In the Jack 2 table. Jack 2 I have not created. Still I am simply copying all the things. Now if I type here, select star, 1 second, select star from Jack 2. What happened? Did I got backup of the database table? Mujahid bhai, Amir, Shravanti, did I got the backup of
Yes,
the
sir.
table?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now once I got complete backup of my table, what I will do? I will completely drop my table, right? The table, whatever I have created, I will simply drop my table. How I will drop my table? Once I drop my table, I will don't want anything to be there in my table. How I will drop? Drop. If I simply type, for example, if I type here drop JCK Jack, table got no. I'm typing a drop. For example, if I type here table, then if I type here JCK, it is getting drop or not? Tell me now. Table is dropped. Now I want to bring back my things. How I will bring back? My table is drop now, right? How I will bring back again? Same like this I will do. Create table. What table I will create again? Again I will create table name as Jack as again I am typing here select star from what? Jack 2 where I have taken already the backup. Enter. Now I will type here select star from Jack. Did I got backup and restore? Did I got backup and restore my tables?
Yes, sir.
What I did first, I created a table. Then what I did, I inserted the
Backup.
values into the table. And then once I inserted the values, I have taken the backup with the other name. And once I take the backup of the other name, I again drop the table. Once I drop the table, and again I restore it back. Can you guys create and show me the assignment of this?
Yes, sir.
Three of them, I'm giving you the
Okay, sir.
assignment. Amir, Swanti.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Jahid. So you create, Amir, you create on like a Walmart. Okay, I want you to create a Walmart table on Walmart, customer. Okay, customer name. Okay, then customer name, product name. Okay, and amount. You put it in your thing. I want 3 tabs. Okay.
Sure.
And this is the project for Amir. Okay.
Okay.
Now Shravanti,
Yes, sir.
I want you to create a project on Vodafone.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Same thing I want. Customer, product name and the amount.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And Mujahid bhai, same thing I want you to create for Jewel Osco. Same thing I wanted to create for the Jewel Osco. What exactly I want to create? First thing, create the table. Number first step. Assignment. Number first step, create a table, respective tables, whatever I have given a task. Then insert values into the tables. Once you insert the values into the tables, then what? Take a backup of tables. Once you take a backup of table, what will the fourth thing you will do? Once you take a backup, you will try to check whether that new table got created. See, you created Walmart and Walmart 1. You create Vodafone and Vodafone 1. You create Jewel Osco and Jewel Osco 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Whether it got created. Then
Sure.
drop the table 1 you drop. Then restore back to original. Can you create to me this assignment?
Yes, sir.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Amir, I did showed you for Walmart, I showed you for Vodafone, I showed you for Jewel Osco. Slowly, I will increase the time. Okay. Today I
Okay.
just
Yes,
showed
sir.
you about this 20 minutes, and then slowly, one by one, I will step increasing the time. Till here, any
Okay,
questions
sir.
now? Any
No,
questions? Mujahid bhai,
No.
Shravanti and Amir, any questions?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No, right? So this is
No.
what I want the practical to be completed.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Mujahid bhai, any questions?
Yes, sir.
Mujahid bhai, any questions you are having? Are you there? Mujahid bhai, are you there? 1 second, I think he is there or not. I don't know. Check it. I think he is not there. Okay. So this is it about today's class. Now I will take your class again tomorrow. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Fine.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.